What difficulties you face in sharing information?
Actually, right now there are lots of fake news such as gossips. And currently, I'm facing these difficulties such as reaching to the community about this information because not everyone can attend meetings, not everyone can read the announcement that I posted, not everyone can hear about the news. That's why.
Are these information available in popular media?
Actually, yes, because this information I posted online in our official Facebook page, the SK Kagawad of Labangal in Bariblaan, and this information also available online virtually.
Thank you so much for your participation, Mom Kimberly Masbong.
You're very welcome, Jessica.